Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious gazpacho soup, step by step. First, let's prepare our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 cucumber, 1 green bell pepper, and half an onion. Remember to wash everything well. Roughly chop these vegetables, and don't forget to mince 2 cloves of garlic. This initial preparation is key for a smooth blending process and vibrant flavor. Now let's get blending. Place your chopped tomatoes, cucumber, bell pepper, onion, and minced garlic into a blender. Add about 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Season with a generous pinch of salt and black pepper. Blend everything until it's wonderfully smooth. If your blender is smaller, simply work in 2 batches to achieve that perfect consistency. After blending, it's time to perfect the flavor. Taste your gazpacho and adjust the seasonings. You might want a little more salt, a dash more pepper, or an extra splash of red wine vinegar to brighten it up. Once seasoned to your liking, pour the soup into a large pitcher or a bowl. Now, the most important step. Chill it thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight for the best taste. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade gazpacho. Pour the perfectly chilled soup into individual bowls or elegant glasses. For a beautiful presentation and added texture, garnish with some finely diced cucumber, a few small pieces of bell pepper, or even some crunchy croutons. A final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil truly elevates the experience. This refreshing and healthy cold soup is now ready to be savored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.